At Totaline, we're all about making your life easier. We offer affordable products that are easy to install and can reduce your time and hassle on the job, like our lineup of universal replacement combustion parts. By universal, we mean a selection of 21 replacement parts that are ideal for almost any furnace, boiler, or water heater you might be working on. There's no need to carry hundreds of parts on your truck. In many cases, one Totaline combustion part can replace hundreds of others. Take gas valves. Stock just 8 Totaline gas valves on your truck and you're all set to replace the majority of the valves on the residential market today. We're talking any application: direct burner, intermittent or standing pilot, fast or slow opening, single or two-stage, we have you covered. Then there's ignition modules. At Totaline, we offer 2 options. Our integrated ignition module includes 12 different wiring harnesses that can be used to repair the majority of residential applications. And our non-integrated modules come with program keys that allow easy installation in most units. So with only 2 Totaline parts, you're ready to repair hundreds of systems. We also offer an incredibly versatile hot surface igniter. Our igniter comes with an innovative breakaway bracket. By removing bracket tabs, you can easily duplicate the mounting characteristics of more than 150 different parts. One part is all you'll need. Plus, Totaline igniters feature a nitride design for improved durability and better reliability than typical silicon carbide igniters, and they're backed by an incredible 5-year warranty. So when you need replacement combustion parts, count on Totaline for reliable, affordable parts that are easy to install. And because they can be used as replacements in almost any system, you won't have to carry hundreds of parts or lose valuable time ordering and picking up the part you need. When you stock Totaline universal combustion parts on your truck, you'll always be ready, so you can get the repair done right and move on to the next job quickly.